Guys, here we are. We are a night out. Actually, we didn't even go to our hostel or hotel, whatever. And look at this pretty Prague. And this is the most sober Prague nights ever.
Nobody's going to a bar, nobody's going to a club, nobody's drinking alcohol. I'm the only one that drank like a 5% 200 milliliter bottle, of which Azra also drank like a shot.
English shot.
So
I'm also drinking this multi-matoni, whatever.
Multi-matoni.
Suggested that we could go to a bar. They didn't listen.
Nobody listens to you.
It's recorded. Do you wanna sue her?
Yeah, I mean she didn't touch me, so I don't have a reason to sue her yet.
She did not touch.
She did not touch yet.
Why didn't you touch?
Not yet. Energy.
Cheese. Hello. Hello.
Tomorrow we
We are
can
in
chill
the
at Lidl, I guess.
night shift of Charles Bridge.
Can go to my test.
It's like this. What?
I have some vision. Back at it again in the metro.
Okay. Arrive at our hostel. Good morning, guys.
In my
Yeah,
bag.
obviously. The higher you are.
Oh, are you recording me?
Yes.
Come.
For your YouTube.
Here, I am doing separation because yesterday I carried too much thing and today I don't want to do it. So what am I taking in my... I have, when Azra smells, I have this kind of mint. Shove it in her, whatever it is, mouth.
To the openings.
And then I have my nose sprays and my allergy for eye. I'm old man, so. And I have for allergy pill, and I have headache pill. And I have my after spray.
What healthy guy.
And I have for in case Azra falls down, I have a lot of plasters. And I have my charger. I have my chewing gum in case if this is not enough. No, I specifically bought because I don't know if I can find the same
I don't know
quality.
if Azra will smell or not.
No, it's not the quality, but I like this.
Extra.
Some of them made me like.
Throw up.
You need to
Yeah.
brush your teeth, Azra.
Yes.
Okay.
And I have my ring, my charger. Azra never brush her teeth. And then I have my English shot, which Azra might want now.
Yes.
But I will lick and I will not. No, I have a napkin, but I have allergy, so you need to get used to it. So, and I have if Azra. Guys, we just came little. I got these, and these guys. Look at the FU bag. What did you get? What did you get?
I got like one pizza stick, something like this. And then here like a hot dog style thing.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I got. It's not a pizza stick. It's the olive stick actually,
Olive oil.
and the banana and Brötchen. Hi guys. We are going to the city center again. Probably today we will go to the Prague Castle, and we will just again walk around. Yeah. And this is Viktor.
I'm sitting here.
And this is Azra. And that's.
We are excluding him.
No. We don't exclude anyone. It's
he
your
doesn't-
behavior.
He doesn't.
We
sit
don't
with us.
exclude. Excuse me.
I don't support you.
You don't sit with us.
Yeah. I sit higher than you.
Because you are short, so you should be sitting higher.
And I'm taller than you. Azra.
Everyone is taller than me.
Okay. Since we judged Azra, this can end here. Cheers. We are going. Oh, Azra is tired.
Let's make a franchise in the church.
And this is the entrance.
There is a Starbucks.
Okay, wait, I just record this one. Boo. Cheers. Prost. Okay, this is the view. We just got from there. I'll also record myself. Good one. Hello guys, we are in front of another bridge, not the Charles Bridge is there. We are here in this bridge and we are just, Victor is saying goodbye to us now.
Yes, right now I will leave now.
And then Azra and me will be unfortunately alone.
With Daniel.
And yeah, we have a Daniel guy, American.
From Moldova, American.
Moldovan American. And yeah, we will spend our evening time with him, probably playing cards.
No, we can go to the lounge.
Whatever. Yeah. It's like that. Tschüssi.
Au revoir.
Let me video. Tschüss. Now we are in this cafe sitting with Azra. Victor just left and we are just doing a little bit of work because we both are like shattered, we are tired, so we don't want to go out there. It's opposite, we just want to sit there because this cafe is quite chill, so we just want to sit and do some work. Azra, do you have anything to say? She's tired, you can see. Okay, just say cheers.
Cheers.
Hello guys. Hello. We are here. I just arrived because cafe has closed and now we are chilling in the park. We will listen music and then we will go to eat somewhere and then we are planning to go to the hill. But so far we will just lay here and enjoy our time in this random part next to the water. Hello guys, we are now in a neighborhood, like it's a really local neighborhood and the buildings are like so still, so like good, old. And let me show you around. We are going to eat some, look at these, they're like cute. There was a auntie looking from the window. It's like typical auntie thing to do, I would say. And yeah, here we are. We're going to eat. It's such a nice place. Look, all with guys. We just arrived here. This is like this, and this looks amazing. We're gonna try it. So it is quite dirty, but we just ate Azra, how do you assess? And we are planning to order something else. Good idea. We came here. A lot of influencers. Look at these. Yeah. And this is this side. And she's influencer as well. She generally do so many. Oh. It's not even focusing, so unhinged things. Like, did you see? She's freaking out. Good morning, guys. We wake up. Actually, Azra wake me up. So wake up, like talking, which worked. And then we're getting ready. Azra is getting freaky. as always. That's what she do. Cheers. Okay, Albert. We just going to the city center. Look, amazing view. Hello guys, we just get out. It's too loud, but we are going one more time to the bridge, Charles Bridge obviously, and then we will go to the bus station, then we will go Berlin. And this is the view. This is one more time Charles Bridge with a view. Hello guys, we are in Prague. We are finally, after a million times here, we are recording a proper video. Azra is obviously fascinated. She's cool, she's sexy, look at her. She's in demand by a lot of human beings. And this is, we are ending our trip here. But before we end, this place is famous in one movie. I guess everyone take picture from there because it's from a movie or something. I don't know, but just we've been there. Just documenting. Azra was also there. This is not AI. So let's say goodbye. 1, 2, 3, bye.